Hello and welcome back, health seekers. Are you struggling to manage your ADHD symptoms on a daily basis? Don't worry. Today we will uncover the best tips and daily strategies to help you maximize your productivity and beat ADHD. Before we focus in on the details, take a brief second to support our channel by hitting the like button and subscribing for more health and wellness tips. We cannot grow without your support. Thank you. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It's a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects both children and adults and is characterized by difficulties with attention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. People with ADHD may struggle with staying focused, organizing tasks, managing time, and controlling impulses. While it's a lifelong condition, symptoms can vary in severity and may change over time. Living with ADHD can be challenging, but establishing a consistent routine can greatly improve daily functioning and overall well-being. From time management techniques to organization strategies, we will cover it all in this informative video. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply looking to improve your daily life with ADHD, this video is sure to provide valuable insights and practical advice. Here are 5 steps to managing ADHD to become more consistent and productive on a daily basis. Number 1. Morning routine. Wake up at the same time every day to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Take prescribed medication if applicable, as advised by your doctor. Engage in physical activity to help regulate energy levels and improve focus. This could include a morning walk, yoga, or a quick workout session. Eat a healthy breakfast rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and vitamins to provide sustained energy throughout the day. Number 2. Work-school routine. Break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use organizational tools such as planners, calendars, or smartphone apps to keep track of deadlines, appointments, and responsibilities. Set specific goals for the day and prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Minimize distractions by creating a quiet, clutter-free workspace. Consider using noise-canceling headphones or background music if helpful. Take regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break, to stay productive. Number 3. Afternoon routine. Eat a balanced lunch to sustain energy levels and avoid mid-afternoon crashes. Include protein, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Incorporate physical activity or outdoor time during breaks to help regulate mood and concentration. Review and adjust your to-do list for the remainder of the day. Celebrate accomplishments and reassess priorities if necessary. Number 4. Evening routine. Engage in relaxation activities to wind down and reduce stress. This could include reading, listening to music, or practicing mindfulness techniques. Reflect on the day's achievements and challenges. Identify any patterns or triggers that may have impacted your focus and behavior. Prepare for the next day by organizing materials, setting out clothes, and reviewing your schedule. Establish a consistent bedtime routine to ensure adequate rest. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed to promote quality sleep. Number 5. Overall tips. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Incorporate regular physical exercise into your routine to release excess energy and improve concentration. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques to manage stress and anxiety. Seek support from friends, family, or support groups to share experiences and strategies for coping with ADHD. Be patient and kind to yourself. Managing ADHD can be challenging, but with consistency and perseverance, you can develop effective strategies to thrive in daily life. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice. We'll see you in the next video.